how to use import from Other Module CRM Receipts. In Accounting module, you can import receipts from CRM module. To import, go to Accounting, go to Transactions, select Import from Other Modules, and then click CRM Receipts. To choose which account to be put on for default debit to and default credit to, you have to make sure that you have created the accounts related to the transactions in Charts of Accounts. Tick the box of which transaction that you want to import into Accounting. Once you have done the selection, click Import on top right of the page. Once you have imported, remember to approve the transaction for it to be included in the reports. To approve, you can go to Transactions, go to My Locations, and then click Active. Under the Status panel, you can click Approve. To view list of your imported transactions, go to Accounting, select Transaction, select Import from Other Modules, and then click CRM Receipts. On top right of the page, select Imported. Then you will see transaction that you have imported into Accounting. Thank you for watching.